I got to the point where I was able to tell my best friend. And we waited, he was the lead in the musical, and I waited until after the musical was done because I didn't want to affect his performance. And so I told him, literally like the next day, once we ended the run, that I was gay. And he just stood up and gave me a big hug, and then he went back to doing his homework as if like it didn't matter and nothing was important. And I was like, oh wow, that was so hard, but also so easy. Like he treated me as if he loved me, and he didn't treat me any differently. And I didn't really realize it, but that's how I wanted it to go. I didn't want it to be a big thing, even though I thought it would be. And then I came out to more people, I came out to my family, and ultimately publicly, and I didn't get any flack or any, I was never made fun of. And so I'm a rare case of, a totally happy coming out transition. But, for 10 years, I didn't come out until the end of high school. So for 10 years, I was alone in my thoughts about this thing about me.